Hello and welcome back to my channel. Following my last video, I'll be showing you how I cover the cake with the whipped cream frosting in today's video. Keep watching. Here's the whipped cream stabilized with cream of tartar. If you haven't seen that video, I'll drop a link in the description for you. First, I crumb coated the cake. This is a 4-inch round cake and I am using the first batch of my whipped cream frosting. I wished I had saved it for the final covering of the cake. You'll see what I mean at the end of the video. I don't really work with whipped cream, so this was like a practice for me. I have a question for you all though. Do you chew your cake after crumb coating before adding the final coating like you do for buttercream, or you just apply the final coating immediately? Please drop your answers in the comment section. Now adding the final coating with the second batch of whipped cream frosting, which I stabilized with gelatin. And I noticed that it wasn't as stable as the first, and the fact that it's not smooth didn't give the cake the neat finishing I hoped for. I guess I have to practice more with this. Also, adding color made it worse, even though it was gel food coloring. In the end, the cake looks beautiful and I'm glad I tried this whipped cream frosting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment below, like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you in my next video.